It's Monday. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I've got a few things this week to do. We do need to finish up the fascia boards on the external for the gutters to go in. That we've already started painting. Also the sprockets with the charcoal paint that the client chose. BICs are going to be starting to install today. Once the BICs are in the main bedroom, we're going to then start with vanities inside the bathrooms, and then just upgrading the cupboards in the existing kids' bedroom. We're also going to put some skirtings on the ground floor area. Upstairs, all the skirtings has been installed. First coat is on. Basically, upstairs, all walls have been first coated, etc. So we're just waiting for the BICs to be installed. Once the BICs are in, the electrician can quickly finish up making their holes in the ceiling, just adjacent to the BICs. Once they're in, Wednesday self-leveling screed is in, and next week Monday the final floors are going to be installed. Plumber then can come on Friday this week to install the bath and the toilets, so that we can get those in working and seeing that everything is working well. But other than that, we are doing well on this project. We probably gonna not be as busy with regards to videos on this project, seeing that majority of the work that needs to come in is the subcontractors. Like I said, it's the BICs. Concentrating on the outside. We're not screeding downstairs on the slab that we've casted, just reason being that we're still going to do ground floor works, and we don't want to put screed on and then tile on, etc. So no screed on there until the end of the project. Tiling all done. Tiling is done in the bathroom. We need to install trapdoors this week that we can do. There's a few snags for the tiler to do in this bathroom, in the kids' bathroom. I'll send them all the needed information, but it's going to be a lucky week and we're going to get a lot of things done. Guys, it's Tuesday, just arrived at the FireLab, where today we're testing the wall. There's a whole lot of people that's been invited to attend. There's fire department here, there is guys from the Aluminium Association, there's guys from the Fire Association, there is Cladding Association, etc. So what we're basically doing is I'll show you the timber that's going to be used to light the fire, and then once the results are in from FireLab, I will let you guys know how it went. But obviously this will be on the channel. If it passed, hold us thumbs and just drop us a comment if you enjoy it. Give us a like and please subscribe. We did the fire test yesterday at FireLab in Pretoria, and it all went well. They're still going to do the reports with regards to the findings. So today they're doing the post-mortem, so they're cutting open and see how the wall did with regards to the fire. But first initial impression looks well, so can't give any guarantee or thumbs up that everything has passed, but as I said, all good. So we were there yesterday. We at the first floor extension renovation project, where I've only got one guy on site today, and he's basically going to do a site clean. The self-leveling screed is going to be installed today. The vanities is in the bathrooms. The BICs is in. We obviously haven't done doors. We're going to do that right at the end. The fascia boards are all in and painted. So gutters can be installed and downpipes. They can go in. Downstairs cornices has all been done underneath the void con slab. First coat paint is on. Now we leave it till we finish up the external of the house. But a few things they'll be busy with now, as I said, cleaning up on the exterior, going through the house, just going to do a basic cleanup of everything. Not much to do inside till we start with second phase. Quote for second phase will be handed in tomorrow. There is the paving quote that we're still waiting for. He was on site yesterday just to do the measurements. But other than that, we're handing in the quote. So when you guys see this, I've handed in the quote already, and that will be on Thursday. That's tomorrow. You guys are seeing this video on Sunday. But busy day. I'm also 9:30 going to donate platelets for cancer patients. I'm not going to show you obviously how we do that, because there might be some people that's a bit squeamish, but it's about an hour and a half process where they basically take blood, remove the platelet from the blood, and about 10-15 seconds later they pump that blood back. So good cause, and do whatever I can to help. It is a Friday. I've just left first floor renovation and extension. It's just 9:27, back to the office, where we just need to tweak the quote for second phase, but it has been submitted. Quickly just going to pop to the Paul's Off project, where we're just going to install a whirlybird just to get rid of some of the heat that's in the ceiling void. Seeing that we have a flat roof and we don't have any vents in that roof, that we're going to just install a whirlybird, and that will let the hot air escape, so that will then prevent the cold water pipes from heating up. But hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. Just a reminder, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of the videos, subscribe and ring that little notification button. Then you guys will be notified when I drop a video. So enjoy the weekend, guys, whatever's left of it.